Hi, everybody. I don't know if we got anybody watching. Nobody's probably watching. Yeah, nobody's watching. Oh, hi. So I'm going to be doing some recordings. And so I'll pause and take a look at the recordings. I'll check with the chat at the end of each tape, so you can help me when I'm doing my recordings. But really, I'm just recording this so that the university can put it on social media and stuff like that. So hi, welcome to my live stream. First thing I'm going to record, reset. Let me start the recorder. And it's recording. Oh, dang it. I better check my microphone. Check my microphone. Is the microphone on? Microphone's on. Yeah, it's a good thing. Good thing I turned on the microphone. Otherwise, that would have been sort of a complete, total waste of time. So, hi, everybody. It's already okay. I'm gonna stop recording because that was completely useless. That was just me setting up the microphone. Stop recording. Stop recording. Oops. Oh. This is a recording for the Quora session on Coursera, which is next week, Wednesday, May 5th. Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck. I'm a professor in the School of Information at the University of Michigan. I have taught more programming students online than any other professor. I teach more online courses and specializations on the Coursera platform than anyone else. I also invest my spare time in open source educational software and free and open educational resources, and I care deeply about student privacy and educational technology. I also own and drive a car in an endurance racing series. I have a Quora session page where you can ask me any question or vote on questions that you want me to answer. To make it even more fun, I'm going to do a live stream writing session where you can watch me and help me write answers to the questions that I've been asked. I hope to see you on Quora. Not bad. Let's do it again. Any thoughts there? Okay, anybody helping me out in the chat room? No? Okay, yeah, let's do it again. Let's do it again. This is a recording for the Quora session next week in working with Coursera. Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck. I'm a professor in the School of Information at the University of Michigan. I have taught more programming students online than any other professor. I teach more online courses and specializations on the Coursera platform than anyone else. I also invest my spare time in developing open source educational software and free and open education resources, and I care deeply about student privacy and educational software. I also own and drive a car and endurance racing series. I have a Quora session page where you can ask me any question or vote on questions that you want me to answer. To make it even more fun, I'm doing a live streamed writing session where you can watch me and help me write answers to the questions that I've been asked. I hope to see you on Quora. Okay, I think that was fine. Let's stop the video. Remember that one. Now I got to get a different script. Hello from Sri Lanka. I'm Chuck from Michigan. So now I'm going to switch scripts. This one's shorter, so maybe I'll get it right in one. Pastings match style. Oops. Okay, let's start recording. Take off the glasses. This is a recording for Postgres for Everybody, Michigan Online Course Page Trailer. Hello, I'm Dr. Chuck. You may have joined me in Python for Everybody or one of my other MOOCs like Django for Everybody, where we touched on SQL. My Postgres for Everybody series dives deeper into the internal architecture, performance considerations, and advanced features of SQL in far greater depth than any of my other courses. So if you're interested in database management systems, please click on the button at the top of the course page to check out this new series and to enroll. I hope to see you in Postgres for Everybody soon. Let's just do that one again. Of course, that was the first time I read it, so it wasn't too great. This is the PG Free Michigan Online course page trailer. Hello, I'm Dr. Chuck. You may have joined me in Python for Everybody or one of my other MOOCs, like the Django for Everybody series, where we touched on SQL. My Postgres SQL for Everybody series dives deeper into the internal architecture, performance considerations, and advanced features of SQL in greater depth than any of my other courses. So if you are interested in database management systems, please click on the button at the top of the course page to check out this new series and to enroll. I hope to see you in Postgres for Everybody soon. Close enough for government work. Boop. Let's check the chat. What's up in the chat? Yeah, Carlos. Yeah, of course. We all want to learn Postgres. It's really fun. I'm starting to write more and more code in Postgres just because Postgres is the, so is that any new course? Well, I got Python, I got Django, I got PHP and MySQL, and now I got Postgres is the latest one. And that's what these promos are for Postgres. And when I'm done with Postgres, I'm going to work on other stuff. I'm playing with maybe doing a C class in addition to and then maybe Java class after that. But I gotta do these things. And summer's just starting, so I'm so busy. Okay, so let's go get the last one. These are going pretty good. Core session, no. Organic social. Damn it. Copy. Getting the script set up. Okay, that's pretty good. What else is going on in the chat? Rust. Yeah, I'm too old to learn something like Rust. Yeah. I like teaching. I like teaching kind of the classics. I like teaching things. Rust may come and go, but C is forever, right? PHP is forever. Python is forever. And so everything that I teach is something that is proven decades of time. And so I'm not going to teach like React. It's too short term. By the time I create a course, it takes me 2 years to create a course. So by the time I create the perfect React course, which is a fine thing to learn, it'll be too late. It'll be time to not do React anymore, or React will release a new version or something. And so I can't make a course. I put so much effort into all the courses that I make that I can't afford to make a course that has a short shelf life, because it takes me longer to make a course than lots of different approaches to software development take. And so I stick with the classics. It's kind of like I'm a history prof, I teach like Roman history, and it doesn't change all that much. And so it's pretty easy. And so I teach like the equivalent of Roman history in programming, which is like C. It's like the oldest of stuff. Okay, notice again. C. Bought your book. Oh, thank you for buying my book. Slytherin. Yay, Slytherin. Although the secret is that I did one of those sorting things and it didn't sort me into Slytherin. And my son thinks that I don't belong in Slytherin, that there's some other thing I am. And it's not Gryffindor. It's not even Slytherin. It's not Gryffindor, but there you go. Yeah. It's fine to use Angular, and it's fine to use React. It's fine to use all those things, but I would rather teach you something that would let you work on any version of React rather than, rather than one version of React and then my class is broken and I got to redo it. So, yeah. Okay, let's start another one. Take the glasses off. And we are recording. Reset. This one is Postgres for everybody, organic social for Michigan Online folks. Hello, I'm Dr. Chuck. I'm a professor in the School of Information at the University of Michigan. You might recognize me from the Python Everybody online series of courses, the most popular series of Python courses on the planet. Come join me in my new online series called Postgres for Everybody on Coursera. In this series, you'll learn how to use the Postgres database and understand topics ranging from database design to database architecture and deployment. Check out the series page on Michigan Online to learn how to get started. Hope to see you there. One take. That's one take. In the bag. I'm in good shape. Java's going to die. Learn C#. You know, I have thought Java was going to die for a long time. I just did. Java is not my favorite way to write programs, but every time, like Scala came out, and like, oh, Java's gonna go away. Scala's better. Scala's so much better. Ah! And then it turned out that Scala wasn't as perfect as you thought it was. And then the Java people looked at Scala and stole all of its good ideas. And so you're like, well, I guess I don't need to use Scala now because Java's as good as Scala. And Java's 20 years old. And so that's the problem when you think there is a new programming language like Scala or Rust or whatever. They have good ideas in them, and those good ideas cause people to use those programming languages. And as soon as people start using those programming languages, then the established programming languages steal all their ideas. It's kind of like how Node and JavaScript, were all the rage, and they were cool because of asynchronous processing. Well, Python web servers are doing asynchronous processing now, and so are Java web servers. So it's hard. It's easy to have a new idea and then say that my new language is the way you can experiment with my new idea, and the new idea is such a good idea, and there are a lot of good new ideas out there. But the problem is that old languages can steal good ideas, and they do. And so you just all these languages have a couple of good years, and then Java and JavaScript and Python and PHP just like slurp up their ideas, and away they go. So greetings from Egypt. I would like to get to Egypt someday when we're all traveling again. I'd like to get to Egypt. Part of the idea of this Quora session that we're doing is, I haven't seen my students in a long time. I'll probably start doing even more live sessions. So, but I now have to sign off. I'll have to sign off so that I can actually edit this stuff and send it to the marketing people. Okay, so thank you for listening to my stream, and hope to see you online in the MOOCs or whatever. Cheers, everybody.